Mommy channel with the Fishtail Braid Part 2.
Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started with today's tutorial. First thing first, we're going to section off a part of the hair in the front, more towards the middle, because we're going to use that middle portion for our braid. We do leave the sides out of that portion because that portion will become part of the fishtail braid. Once we section off that front part, we're just going to go ahead and secure the back part so it's out of our way and won't become part of that front braid. So you can use a rubber band as you see me doing here, or a clip, whichever one you prefer. Okay, we are now ready to start our French braid at top. First, I will take my Eco Styling Gel and apply that around that front part just to smooth down any flyaways around the hair so I can have a smooth French braid. Okay, we're now ready to start our French braid. First thing first, you want to take a little section off in the front, part that into 3 different sections as you see here. Then you will begin to plait your hair going backwards, and as you're plaiting, you want to add hair to that middle section from each side of the braid and then plait that backwards as you see me doing here. Once you reach the end of that section, you want to secure that French braid with a rubber band so it doesn't come undone. Okay, we are now done with the French braid at the top. I do go back through and pluck the French braid out just to make it look a little fatter and messier. I didn't want it that neat at the top, kind of wanted to look standing up. So that's what you see me doing here. Okay, once I've plumped the braid to my liking, I do take a bobby pin, or you can use a hairpin, whichever one you prefer, to secure my braid down so that way it doesn't move when I start my fishtail in the back. Okay, we are now ready to start our fishtail in the back. As you can see, I am parting our hair down the middle where that rubber band stopped at the French braid into 2 sections. You want 2 equal sections so it'll look even. And then what you're going to do is take more towards the middle of the opposite side. As you can see, you can start on your right or your left, which whenever you want, and just take a little piece of that section and move it to the other section in like a crisscross motion. And then you'll do the same thing to the opposite section. Take a little piece of that section and move it to the other side. You want to continue this all the way down like a crisscross motion, and this will form your fishtail braid as you'll see me do here in just a second. Okay, once we finish the fishtail braid and we get to the end, you want to secure it with a rubber band so that the French tail braid will not come undone. Then I'm going to go ahead and just smooth the sides down just to make sure everything looks neat. I go through and I put mousse on that French braid so that way I can lay everything down. And then I do take my hairspray and also spray over the braid as well, just to make sure all the loose hairs and any stand-up hairs is smoothed down within the braid. Alright guys, we are done with this look. This is what the French braid looks like in the back. I am doing a 360 so you can see how the whole entire style will look. Hope you enjoyed it. If you had any questions or concerns, you know where to reach me on my social media pages, and I hope to see you next time.